talk more about that operation of immigration officials.
BI spokesperson Dana Sandoval is now on the line. Magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Magandang umaga po.
Maraming salamat po for joining us today. Siyempre po, ang unang katanungan na ano pong klaseng illegal na operasyon ang pinatatakbo nga po dito sa NARID, dito sa may Parañaque.
Yes, the operation was conducted in June 4, and that we were able to arrest 37 Chinese nationals who are involved in retail. So, iba't iba po yung establishments na nakita doon sa area. There were restaurants, there were food retail, there were groceries, and nakita po itong mga Chinese nationals na to be working in those establishments.
Ayun, all of these po na huli, no, Spokes, are Chinese or may mga iba pong nationality tayong nakita doon?
Yes, all Chinese nationals po, 30 yung male at 7 po yung female doon sa mga arrested natin.
Ito,
sorry.
Sige, go ahead.
In relation kasi to that, paano po nakapasok sila dito? Did they go through with tourist visas or were they promised work tapos biglang na-kidnap? Ano po ang naging sitwasyon nila?
Yes, mga turista po, normally po pumapasok yan as with a tourist visa. They secure their entry visa first from the Philippine Post abroad. So kumukuha po sila ng visa sa consulate or embassy natin abroad, which is under the DFA. There they are vetted and then they pass through immigration. Pag kumpleto po ang documents, pinapapasok po natin. Doon po pala nagkakatalo kasi itong mga to, doon sa intention.
Okay.
When they arrive here in the Philippines, despite having complete documents, apparently these guys have a different intention of going here in the Philippines, not for tourism purposes, but actually to work here illegally.
Okay.
Nasaan na po itong mga nahuli po natin, mga Chinese national dito po sa raid sa multinational village sa Parañaque?
Yes, ito po mga arrested sa ating detention center po in Bicutan, Taguig, inside Bagong Diwa. Doon po sila mag-stay until matapos po yung deportation case filed against them.
And what happens po next? Deportation na? Pagka napatunayan po na illegal po sila na naka-stay dito sa Pilipinas?
Yes, once matapos yung deportation case, kunin na.
Ay, nawawala po kayo.
And then, hello?
Yes, go ahead po.
Kunin po natin yung kunin po natin yung travel documents sa kanilang embassy. And then we will also check kung meron local case here in the kung pending local case here in the Philippines and then implement the deportation. Actually, parang a few weeks ago, we were able to deport a big group of Chinese nationals. Ito naman po yung mga narinig ng pasok doon sa previous raid nila.
Ayun, so regarding this raid, no, matagal niyo na po ba tinitignan yung establishment na yan? Nagkaroon kasi kayo ng information about this. And of course, are you looking at other areas na may possible na same kind of operations?
Yes, ito po kasi nanggaling sa information na natanggap natin, no, na may mga illegal aliens po dyan na nagtatrabaho ng walang tamang documentation. Kaya po nagkaroon ng arrest doon sa area. But we're not limiting ourselves to this area kasi marami pa po tayong natatanggap na report of illegal aliens inside Metro Manila that might be operating yung mga ganito pong uri ng establishment. That's why we are calling on requesting then the assistance of local government units if they see or get information about illegal aliens in their areas. Kasi yan po ang nakakakita talaga since they are in charge of the permits and everything. They report it to us po para immediately matutugunan po natin at mahuhuli po yung mga illegal aliens.
Opo. Doon po sa report natin kanina, no, sinabi nga po nung ilang local officials doon na hindi daw po nakipag-coordinate dito po sa raid na ginawa. Ano po ba ang standard operating procedure po pagka ganyan?
Yes, not necessarily naman po na kailangan mag-coordinate with officials, but normally po we coordinate with police. So from my understanding po, this arrest was coordinated with the local police then. Most of our arrests is either the intelligence units in the area, the local agencies, or the police.
Kasi usually, pagka ganyan talagang
Yeah.
close-knit yung mga dapat na kasama dyan sa raid dahil baka mag-leak eh. Tama po.
True. Tama po. Tama po.
Alright, so what else can we do po no para mapigilan nga itong ganitong illegal na operations? Kasi sabi nyo nga po, there are still certain areas na kayo po ay minomonitor nyo po no dahil nga po dito sa mga nire-report na illegal foreigners here sa atin. So what else can we do para po maiwasan na po itong ganitong mga pagkakataon? No, illegal
Yes, yung atin
operations.
sigurong contribution at Filipinos to the thing that we can do is season 21 any foreign nationals that might be involved in illegal activities here in the Philippines. Kahit pa po may proper visa yan, may asawang Filipino, permanent resident dito. If they still have violations sa mga batas natin, then we can report it to immigration. We have a helpline that it goes directly to the Office of the Commissioner. You can visit po facebook.com/immigration.helpline.ph. You can send your information there para maibato po natin sa ating intelligence officers at maimbestigahan at mahuli po yung mga illegal aliens doon sa area. Pagpa-plug na rin po ako if you don't mind.
Go ahead po.
We also have our service caravan today in Batangas City in Pontefino Hotel. So if there are foreign nationals there who wish to avail of expedited immigration services, or yung mga kababayan po natin if they have reports on illegal aliens in the area, meron po silang irereklamo na foreign nationals, meron po silang alam na mga illegal po na mga foreign nationals daan sa paligid nila, they can proceed po to our service caravan and report it po doon sa help desk.
Oo. Very quick na lang po, ma'am, meron po ba dyan po sa inyong, on your end, na gagawin ng mga tweaks or gagawing stricter implementation sa Bureau of Immigration?
So far po in place po yung ating strict formalities both for arrivals and departures. But we are focusing siguro our attention on foreign nationals who are here in the country that might be do illegal activities. Po natin ngayon with different government agencies and
Ayun, nawawala.
po natin yung investigation and arrest.
Alright.
Hello?
Yes po.
We got that.
We
Thank
got
you.
that naman po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras sa Immigration Spokesperson, Dana Sandoval.
Salamat po at magandang umaga.